Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can embed Klaviyo form on Shopify. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on my Shopify dashboard and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the left side of your screen, as you can see guys, you're going to find all of these sections. Here you're going to find the home section, orders, products, customers, content. Right here you're going to find analytics and marketing and discounts. Here under sales channels, you're going to find online store and also point of sale. And lastly, here you're going to find your applications. So basically, guys, right now, go ahead and click on apps. Click on this little arrow. And then right here, you're going to find a list that includes all of the apps that you have on your Shopify store. And here in the bottom, you're going to find all the recommended apps and also app and sales channel settings. Go ahead and click on all the recommended apps. And then once you're here, just go to the bottom. You're going to find Get More Recommendations in the Shopify App Store. So go ahead and click on Shopify App Store, and then you're going to be redirected to this tab right here. So once here, just go to the top. Here in the search bar, give it a click, and then search for Klaviyo. Once you do that, go ahead and hit enter. And then here you're going to find all of these results. Make sure you choose this one, Klaviyo Email Marketing and SMS. Give it a click and then install the app. Click on install. Then you're going to be redirected to here. Click on install right here. And then once you do that, you're going to be able to add the app to your Shopify dashboard. Make sure, first of all, to create your Klaviyo account and then click on get started and then you're good to go. After that, in order to integrate it with your theme, just go to online store, themes, and then click on customize right here. Then once here, just go to the left, click on app embeds, and then here you're going to find Klaviyo. Just enable it, click on save, and then you're good to go. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you guys in the next video.